All right, round two, UMX VIPER 30 millimeter maiden-ish. We move the battery a little more forward so it can stop nose diving up. Let's see if that works a little better. So we are gonna take off in safe because that seems to wanna, takes a lot to take off first. So we're gonna go ahead and try that again. Put it on first. Got a gust coming. Wait a second. And the wind has shifted on me. Oh, that was way better. I think we fixed or found the soft spot, sweet spot for the battery. Oh yeah, that's soft spot, sweet spot for sure. Now let's fine tune it. Half throttle. Looks like I need some left aileron trim, but can't really tell because it's just so windy. All right, we got to bring her down. That was better. All right, we got to practice on them landings on this girl. But a lot better with that second flight. Battery in a lot better spot. So we'll get some more batteries in here and get back to it. Thanks for tuning in.